Hello everyone, let's see how to make poha cutlets. Firstly, take 1 cup of poha, add it to a bowl. Add half a cup of water. Mix it well and soak it for 5 minutes. Then add the soaked poha into a bowl. To that, add 1 cup of boiled and grated potato. Add 1 tablespoon yogurt. One-fourth cup onion, 1/4 cup mashed peas, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 green chili, 1/4 cup coriander leaves. For potato and peas, boiling method has been used, and some salt to taste, and combine the mixture and prepare a dough, and take a small portion of it and make a small balls out of it, and then flatten it by your hands. And I have given here a round shape. And prepare many more cutlets out of the dough. Then to the pan, add some oil. Here I have used shallow frying method. And once the pan gets heated, add the cutlets. Once it is done on one side, then flip it over to the other side. Then the poha cutlet is ready to serve.